Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. It got a boost in the Asian session, but has since rotated back to the downside, back to where it all began. So let's take a technical look, see where we stand from that perspective. This is the hourly chart of that currency pair, and we saw ups and downs in trading yesterday. The ups took the price above the 200-hour moving average, but we did find resistance at the low of this swing area. This swing area has a number of different swing highs and lows, as I usually say, in this area through here. And the high price that we saw in trading yesterday stalled against the low of that swing area between the 0.6379 and 0.63874. In between sat the 61.8% retracement. And trading here today, the price was able to move higher, and that move to the upside was helped by technicals and also better China data coming out, which helped push the Aussie versus US dollar to the upside on that news. And getting back above the 200-hour moving average at 0.6368. That move to the upside was able to extend above this swing high area, above the 0.6387 level, but could not sustain momentum. That one single bar above that level, momentum faded, and we started to rotate back to the downside. You can see how the buyers turned to sellers, with the sellers leaning against the high of the swing area once again and pushing down below that level in the last 4 or 5 or so hours. Has seen a continuation to the downside, with a New York session low now coming in near the low of this lower swing area at 0.63599. So the sellers are trying to take more control. Now, we'll be watching the 200-hour moving average at the 0.6368 level as a close resistance level. Now, if the price can stay below that level, like we did in trading yesterday, where the price extended above the 200-hour moving average and then found willing sellers against it through here and here. I guess that was in trading here today. So we'll be looking for additional selling against that level today to see if the sellers can keep control under the 200-hour moving average, if they can, or if they start to move below the 0.63559 level. We have traders thinking about the 100-hour moving average at 0.6338 as the next target on the downside. So sellers are trying to take more control below the 200-hour moving average. 100-hour moving average sits below. That's the technical picture for the Aussie versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.